Hello everyone. So today I decided I was going to show you a day in my life here in New York City. I'm here for Fashion Week with Tresemme. I've been here for the past 3 fashion weeks now. God, yeah, good. But so today is a prep day and the beginning of my Tress kickoff. So there's gonna be a dinner. I have to go pick up some clothes from a designer, and then I also need to check into my hotel room, currently at Chizzy's house right now, and put things away and then head to dinner. So today's gonna be a pretty packed day, even though we're starting today at like 4 p.m. But don't worry, day in the life still makes sense. Anyway, I just filmed a tutorial on this wig. It is a wig that's named after me, so check it out down below if you want a, you know, a little short, sleek bob. I mean, I'm just saying, what you think? All right, so I'm grabbing my bag and I'm gonna say bye to Chizzy now. All right, guys, Chizzy's here. Bye. Hi. So I'm gonna see you. Oh my God, tonight. Oh my God, we're just event. Okay. All right, see ya. We have arrived at our hotel. This is my room, so I'm gonna give you a little tour. Well, hello, this is me. And this is the bathroom. I really like it. I love the marble detail. But yeah, so this is the shower here. And then you just go forward. I requested a rack already because, you know, so many clothes. This is my bed, another mirror, hello. And then we have a little couch here. Look at all the stuff Tresemme already put in my room. Ooh, some cupcakes. Oh my gosh. And then got the Tresemme stuff here. Love the Tresemme team, thank you. So yeah, that is a tour of my room. Say hi, Ifa.
Do you want to tell everybody what's happening?
Okay, so I'm here at the Studs event here at Tresemme, and I'm gonna get my ears pierced. I don't know what. There's so many options, but I feel like, why not? Let's get our ears pierced, and I'm just so happy to see everyone.
Hello, vlog.
Yeah.
Okay, some photos. Always vlog.
You about to be on the YouTube channel, girl. You about to be here. Say hey.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Okay, I saw this heart.
Super cute.
I was thinking maybe like in here, in this spot. Where is my right here? Yeah, like yeah. I was thinking I probably want to do this side because that's where my nose ring is. Okay. Hey guys, okay, so it is currently day 2 of Fashion Week. I didn't get to pull anything yesterday, so we're actually gonna go pull things from a few PR companies now, and I want to take you guys along with me because that was the whole point of yesterday. We're supposed to do that so you guys can see the behind the scenes of how that works, and then we're gonna go to lunch and shoot. So this outfit, I don't know, I think it's pretty cute. Look, oh, can we talk about these shoes? Can we? Where? Can you see them? Oh yeah. There they are. This is the worst way to show anything. I'm so sorry. But we've organized my room, so now it looks way better. I have shoes everywhere. It's actually crazy. Shoes on the table. Those are bags and hats. There's a hat. I have coats in that closet. I mean, it's kind of a lot. So we need to make sure we shoot everything we're trying to shoot this time during Fashion Week, because every time I come to New York, I always have all these mood boards and all these things I really want to do. So hopefully we can get it done. I'm obsessed with my hair, by the way. I don't know if you guys don't even know how obsessed I am. You can't really tell how much of a bob it is because of my coat, but if you do want to check this hair out, I'll leave a link to it down below and you can get it. It's the katana wig from Flare Hair. I'll leave a coupon code down below so you can check it out. All right, let me go because Ife's already by the elevator and I'm late. I mean, but what else is new though? All right guys, so we are finally in our Uber. It was raining outside, so we had to stop and get an umbrella, but we're heading to Amy Sturgis and we're gonna show you when we get there. about to head into Amy Sturgis now and we pull a few things. Hello.
Oh my god, the doorbell is so messy.
Really?
Like, so loud. Welcome. Basically,
hi.
we're setting up now for
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, how's it going?
Hi. Nice
How's
to
it all
meet you.
going?
Oh yeah, she's just vlogging. Is that okay? Yeah.
No, of course it is. So I'm just
Alright, so we've got a few things to choose from here. This is a sweater. Sweater dress. Extra small.
gonna hang it on the bit.
Oh, I think it's like an oversized look. Extra small. I feel a little. I think this is so nice for like. And I'm gonna try them on. So we have this wrap dress. Show some leg.
He needs to go in the pink.
I love this.
Oh, there's that one.
Okay, so we just left and I'm happy I got those 2 pieces. That leather skirt though, I'm really excited about that. So now we're heading to NYFW.
I get the waters. Do you need anything else? No. We have some pastries here as well. If you need that. And then Haley will definitely take
Yes, I'm so hungry.
you. If you need anything else, I'll be over here. But you definitely.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so I'm back in my hotel room. I want to show you some of the pieces that I got. These are the pieces that I get to wear for fashion week and try on and stuff like that. And I have to get this back, but then these are the pieces that are gifted from the brand. So it goes like that sometimes. Sometimes you get to keep them. Sometimes you have to just wear them for whatever you use them for. So that's it. Alright, oh, why is my focus? So now there we go. Now I'm about to try on a few clothes for dinner tonight because we have dinner in about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna get that ready and then probably gonna rest until dinner time because I'm tired. So we are heading off to dinner right now. I changed into actually one of the what is this, a jumpsuit that I got from AMPR, which is amazing. So the brand is All in Favor. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But it's like this really long sequin, sparkly jumpsuit. We're gonna get a shot of it. Very 70s, got him some white boots. You know, our head is gonna be up with the girls. I'm so excited because this has been a long time coming. All right, we are here and we are about to enter the restaurant. Oh my gosh, who that? Hey guys. Hello. Hi. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Is this your vlog? Yeah. Wow. It looks like I have a vlog. I don't know, I have a YouTube channel. I think so. Vlog. Hello baby girl. How you doing? Ooh, we got the food coming in. Hello everyone. Okay, black women.
Alright, we got the appetizers.
It looks like that.
Not too hard on the middle, on the sides, please.
Oh, on the sides, of course.
Toast to life, success, happiness, love, right? Hopefully. Yes.
Amen.
More life.
Cheers to
Cheers.